out of the way. Oh, he's a bit tight in the groins.
Yeah. All right. So Jason and I, we're going to do a video on how we can open up your hips to increase your range sitting in this position here.
Flatter.
Yeah. Jason's obviously pretty tight in that position. And I reckon a lot of people out there are. So I'm going to show you firstly how we treat that by getting into the adductors and improving that range.
Where do you want me to?
Yeah, I want you
open
like
up a
that.
bit,
I
or?
want you like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight into your adductor tendon and just see if that's the main culprit. And I'm probably going to flip you over and have a bit of another go. But we'll just sort of do some treatment, then retest, see where the binds are, and see a bit of a live treatment if we can affect that. So I'm going to come in with that elbow and show you exactly where I'm going on that tendon. So it's really soft touch to begin with. And then we're going to sink into that a bit deeper.
There's already some gold.
Yeah.
Oh.
Did you say your adductors are the ones that get you the most in terms of your pain?
Nah, my adductors are normally alright with treatment, but this is pretty sore already.
So I'm sort of focusing on the more thicker tendon. Probably adductor longus, adductor brevis. It's that really taunt or tight.
Oh, yeah. Nah, it's all good.
It's all good. He's just
don't want
guiding
that
me.
Flick.
Don't worry. So to prevent that flick, there's little tricks to the trade. You can soften the tendon by bringing that knee slowly up, and it just gives me more purchase of it. But then the inside of my elbow is actually touching
The pubic
that
bone.
pubic bone. Hey. And that's the connection and the key to treatment is actually getting
so
in
good.
close to that tendon and being on that joint. And you'll affect the length of the tendon. You'll affect the blood flow into that joint to have an analgesic effect and cure some pain and build up. But yeah,
Easy in there now.
So-
I reckon if you stay there, yeah, angle up.
You
Oh
want-
yeah.
Okay, so he even wants right up under there.
Yeah.
Gracilis, or it might even be starting to get onto some hamstring tendons,
Oh,
but probably still mostly on the groins.
that's good. Yeah.
So I guess that movement that Jason was doing to begin with, if you struggle to do that, then it's probably going to affect your movement patterns in the gym. Your squats, most importantly, and then even your lunges.
Deep lunges, yeah. If
Deep
you're struggling there,
lunges.
If your knees constantly falling in, or
And then obviously more functional sports like your footy and your basketball and your cricket. Sprinting to be able to do that multi-directional movement where you're going side to side or forward or backwards. Just having the freedom of range in there.
obviously have that explosive range in your hip.
Yeah. Obviously, you want to have some good strength and stability in there, but to build strength, I guess the best way is to have some clean foundations.
Yeah.
And that's what we're doing, is just cleaning that.
Oh yeah, when you bring
Alright,
that
man.
up, it's.
Let's get to work.
Oh,
mate.
let's get to work, eh? Oh, that's got a bit more spice to it.
Just come back from Koh
You're looking
Samui.
tanned.
I'm a bit darker
Got
than
me
Jason.
covered. I'm pretty pale. Ninja will have to put the old filter over me, won't you, mate?
Yeah, I'll do that
He used to
for you.
hate me wearing tans. Jace couldn't be the model because he was too white.
Bit of dolphin skin.
Bit of pale dolphin
I think
skin.
I overdid it. I'm starting to burn a bit on my shoulder. Peel on my shoulders. Probably got some there. But yeah, I was just telling Scotty, the shoulders, the neck, the body's feeling good. I reckon I had 10 massages in 12 days.
Oh.
Probably paid a total of
Hey, that could be
$100.
a little series we can do. Someone can treat me 10 times in 12 days and I'll be feeling fresh as.
I reckon your buddy hopes are too high there, Jace.
Come on, Ninja.
I'll do it for you, man.
Thanks, mate. Look after me. Oh, yeah, I can keep tracing that out. Yeah. Oh, this is going to fucking change some stuff.
Alright,
Oh.
so now I've got purchase and I'm
Oh.
pulling it out with not a lot of wax, so that
That's alright, it's not hair. It's just... Oh.
it is a bit of a
That's gone.
myofascial treatment as
That's-
well as a pin and stretch.
Keep holding that. Oh.
I'm even gonna put my hand on that and really open that hip up.
You can go sharper a bit. Yeah. Oh, I didn't want. I shouldn't have done it. Oh, we lost one. Lost the soldier.
There we go. So look, Jason's hips didn't move poorly, but they didn't move
Well.
didn't move extremely well. But I know that, you know, I play footy. The amount of footy players I play with that really struggle with their mobility and their stretching, you know, they're hopeless, aren't they, man? You played footy your whole life as well. You've got you got your more experts that look after themselves, and it's few to none. Unless you're maybe in the AFL system and you take it seriously, but even there, you've still got a lot of people that don't do enough quality release work or deep tissue work to unlock the hips and joints.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna give that some curry.
All right, let's do it. Oh.
Alright. Sinking out. So I didn't move from that spot. Sort of see where it was there, Ninja.
There to about there.
Yeah, you can see sort of two different points where one was hooking up and under, which I can get in there with my thumb as well. And go there. Yeah.
I'm trying not to fight him, but I am.
He's doing well.
The thumb's so much more off the spot.
Yeah.
Oh.
There's a whole different sense. What do you feel?
Oh, it's just sharper. It's just more direct, pinpoint. Feels like a
Double thumb.
10-cent coin. It's what it needs, but it's just can't describe it. The elbow was more broad but sharp, but this is just on it.
Sometimes you need different tools for the job, you know. Like any other trade, you got to hook in with your thumbs or your elbows or your
knuckles. You always use a spanner, can you,
Nah.
Got to sometimes use another tool.
Yeah.
We're good tradies here.
Yeah.
Oh,
can't be doing the same positions, you know. You got to change it up a bit.
in the gym. You can't be doing the same positions. You got to explore different ranges.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just open Jace right up here. All right.
Oh.
Sinking out again, using our methods, so we're not, you know, being too invasive. Okay, so that range there looks good. Let's see how it goes with you sitting up, because it does change things differently. I guess it's a bit of a feel test for you, isn't it, as well?
Yeah, it feels a fair bit
looser, or is it pretty?
No, it feels freer through here. Like it feels like more around the back of the hip now than like here. This one feels more adductory. This one just feels like it can go.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
All right, great. So let's get you onto your stomach and have a go. That'll get you.
That's alright, don't worry about the face down.
One, all good. All right, so we're going to stick to the same hip. I'm going to go piriformis. So sort of in between here and there, we find our piriformis straight in the middle, which Jason's already pretty sensitive. So I don't usually like to poke and prod with my thumb. I'm going to go like that's just the softest touch, and then we sink in. And I still want to find like your coccyx.
Any coccyx? You've done a ninja.
I've done a ninja.
100%.
He's fighting me a bit, so I'm going to have to ease.
Try not to, but
Pin. So yeah, sometimes it's good just to trace the pain, find where the blockage is. Jace felt it in the back. So what I'm targeting here is your piriformis, and that's an external rotator. So when our hips in that position, our groins in that position, we're also externally rotating. So if our external rotators are blocked or tight, restricting that movement, that could be the culprit as to what the last little chain in the link is needing to gain that last bit of range. All right, I'm blabbing on. Let's get into it. And what's really cool about this is you can feel like Jay's fighting me, which brings up the tendon or brings up the muscle as I'm treating him. I can feel him like twitching, and he's trying to stay relaxed.
I'm trying. It comes and goes.
But it actually gives me feedback of, am I on the right spot? And I'm going to lift this leg up ever so softly, and then we're going to do that active or
there it is.
performer switch. I only got to there, and he even was feeling the restriction, so let's add some more. Yeah, so I reckon a lot of this is coming from your glutes, man. This is moving worse than what his hips were, so it's interesting. Especially that internal rotation there. It's getting there. Haven't moved again.
There, but
yeah, as soon as we go a bit of internal.
that just doesn't move.
That's
It's getting.
There we go. Oh, yeah. We're getting there. Sorry, a couple more. Let's go. 3 more, I reckon, Jays. I'm just going to keep this going until there's not so much catching at the end. We're getting there. Just need that. Yeah. There we go. Let's go one more. Feel the shakes, feel that tendon still holding on a bit. I'm not ripping it, but I'm giving it a little bit of a go.
nudge.
Most of my weight is into this shoulder. This one's just ever so slightly, you know, pulling in. Alright, we'll give Jace a little bit of a minute. Sink out of that. And I'm just going to
do a nice one. Oh no, not nice.
get into his glute med. Side of the hip, probably the most uncomfortable glutes to treat. They support our back if they're doing the right thing, which Jason's constantly working on his glutes and doing his functional training. They should support and work in conjunction with your QLs. If you've got tight lower back, sore lower back, you need to strengthen your gluteus medius. Most of the time you'll get relief. It's also a good idea to release them.
Out, it's good. It's good. I'm trying to sell it for you. How good it is.
Come and see me. It's really good, Jace. Come on.
I feel like going back into where you were too, like here. The coccyx.
The coccyx. Is that a ninjaism?
That's a ninjaism, yeah.
So it's coccyx. Is
Coccyx.
Is there 6 coccyx?
It depends where you are.
There's 4 in this room. I didn't have 2. We didn't have 6.
That'll fucking do it. Just a bit extra.
I reckon there was a Patreon video that just went up a week ago of Jace having backup of Ninja pushed it into my ass. Alright, deep breath. I'm going to ease out. I'm having one with you, mate. Good. And we're letting that muscle go, and you can feel that under your elbow as Jace exhales, the orientation of what that tenseness in that tissue felt like compared to the suppleness you start to feel as he exhales is what we're looking for. Okay, coming out of that, Jace, let's retest just after treating a couple of muscles, I guess. It's going to be a subjective.
Feels a fair bit
Okay.
better, doesn't it? Like,
Oh, yeah.
you can see that one.
Yes. Do you reckon it was more in your piriformis?
Yeah, right. I reckon. Like this one feels groiny now, but
Yeah.
this one just doesn't have any resist. Like I can't even force that one to where it is. Like
So do that again, and you can see his whole body's moving when you're trying to do that.
where that one just goes. Like
Yeah,
that's just sitting there.
Yep, and lie flat on your back. I'll do a bit of a test. So usually what I do in my treatments is I come in, I test flexion, see how that feels, a bit of active movement. And yeah, that's what I'm looking for, is if you can see that the hips pretty much touching the bed there, which Jason's is, that's really good. So, done. If you think this treatment resonates with you, booking online, we just might as well improve your squat and your ability to sit how Jason was earlier. I need to learn the pose. You guys can tell me in the comments what that movement is. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Done.
Yeah, what is that yoga pose?
Just sitting in it.
Frog.
Frog.
Call it frog.
Or the coccyx.
Ribbit.
Done.